received another box today. Another Beaver box. Took forever to get here. Like 5 days late, but this is the last of the Outland stuff that I'm going to be getting. It's an awning. That's easier. So when I ordered it, it's the cheapest one I could find. It's just a 8.5 by 6.5 awning that folds out. It's got a couple legs and supports for the top, but I already knew that they had silly orange graphics on here. Like, the name is all right, but then they got a bunch of other crap here, so I knew that when I bought it, that's what it was going to be. So I have a fix for that. Black flex tape is going to go over this because they never sent this to me. I'm not sponsored by them, so it's going to get hidden. So we got a pouch here, got some bolts, tie downs, pegs, and we got some brackets bolted on like that, and this will hopefully go on the rack. I got to go see and make sure that these are going to fit with the tent on there already. And this is the awning, so you just undo this and roll it out. And you can see right here, there's tent posts, and there's other ones too that fold out. All right, so these brackets will go up in here. They'll slide in, and the two holes should just line up with these two holes here. Right there will work. Might have to take the ladder side brackets off, but that'll work. I think I'm going to put it on, not sure which side I'm going to put it on yet. I have to think about it. Alright, so those brackets I'll just have to bolt in here. These are just a slide in. You take the end off and you slide the nut in the groove, put the bolt in. So I'll have to measure the distance, put 2 of those in there, and then just a matter of putting it up there and bolting it to the rack. There's the guide that shows the 2 bars. These 2 bars here are they're hinged, so they just get pulled straight out like this, and then the awning will sit on top of that. And then this will go into the awning. And then in here, I haven't raveled it out yet, but there's 2 more poles like this that'll go straight down. They'll be the vertical ones. These are the horizontal ones. These are the vertical. And that's how she mounts. Or you can mount them with this way or this way if you have a bar going that way. I don't think you can mount it that way. They mount it this way. If you have a bar going that way, it pinches it between. So yeah, so I may have said the nuts went in here. It's actually the bolts that go in this slot. I think we got to pop the cap off. Providing the cap pops off. There we go. Two on the top. Two on the bottom. go. Clicks in. The center, and then the center on the tent, and then the center to the racks, or the center of the racks to the center. So put a couple marks here, and that's basically what I ended up with. That's just going to go in like that. You got 2 nylon nylox nuts. I use a little impact gun, but I don't want to over crank it because this is just aluminum, so I just take it easy on it. And that's 2 brackets mounted. All right, she's ready to go up. This is going to be a fun part, trying to do it by myself. I'll give it a shot though. It's gonna be hard. All right, I got a clamp there just to hold that end. I'm gonna try from this end. Might be a little easier to get at. All right, I got it up. Wasn't easy to attach it, but I did it. There's just enough room in there. And you can see the bolts. Just fit, just. All right, let's see if we can set this up without a big disaster. All right, that wasn't too bad. You just you twist these one way and they loosen, and then you pull them out and you twist it back. You don't twist this. And you can set these any height you want to put a slope on this so that the rain slopes off. Seems fairly decent. I think that's going to work to give me some shade from the sun or the rain. Like I said, this is 6.5 wide by 8.5 feet long. And then they have these little strings, which the other string will attach to. I guess what you can do is just put a little carabiner on the line. You just clip it on and you're good to go, and you run the line down. Those are set up already. Not very good, but not very tight. But that'll be for the pig. Just trying to do a figure eight there. There we go. Like that. I would use a rock if I were in gravel like this. Put a rock there, but. Okay, let's put this thing away, see how long it takes. And then you got your rope and pigs in a nice little bag. And that's it. And one last thing. And done. That is some sticky stuff. I gotta be careful with it. I kinda had trouble cutting the end here, but it ain't coming off. And that's the awning. Ready to go.